I always remember, and I said, it sounds so cliche, but my boss would always say, don't come with me with problems, come with me with solutions. And so that stuck with me from 10 years ago. And I think Kevin is exactly that, right? He's always saying, like, we'll find a
Yep.
solution. We'll find
Great
a solution.
energy.
So,
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah, Kevin was able to find great tenants for in a really short period, like quicker than we were expecting, which was great. That's where Kevin and the C.R.E.S.I team aligned, was with our mentality is we're not slumlords. You know, we're not looking
Yeah, we're not
for a
just looking
quick
for the
buck
quick
or,
buck, yeah.
or just getting anybody in there and letting the place. No, we want a nice place. We want nice people to have a nice place. And there's a mutual respect that way. Something's not working, we replace it. You know, we fix it. We want it fixed. We want somebody to enjoy.
Want them to be happy.
We want them to be happy there, right? So
like it's their home.
yeah. It's a really tough balancing act, right? To try and grow a portfolio, try to work full time, try to raise 2 young children. And you feel guilty no matter which option you choose. So I think that's why we decided with the property management that take the choice away from us almost, in a sense. You can be either completely hands off or you can be as engaged as you want to be, which is amazing. And then I think that what drew us to C.R.E.S.I originally was just their positivity.